Humans have always had the desire to explore the universe because we know that in its immensity, an immensity of secrets is hidden. We realize that it is much more than an empty space. It is a space that works in the shadows to restore what we believe was lost. This is the story of cosmic restoration, a concept that challenges our understanding of the universe and invites us to contemplate the possibility that even in our darkest moments, the universe is conspiring on our behalf. Join us on this journey into the unknown as we explore the depths of cosmic restoration and discover the transformative power that lies in the shadows of the cosmos. Stay until the end. The universe as we know it is a loyal and compassionate friend that is always working tirelessly to restore what we believe is lost. It is not a cold and indifferent space, quite the opposite. It is connected with everything that is part of it. This reality opens us to the possibility that even in our darkest moments, the universe is conspiring in our favor. Even though we cannot see it, it is always seeking to restore what we have lost or what we think we have left behind. Cosmic restoration suggests that there is an unwavering commitment on the part of the universe to repair what is broken, heal what is wounded, and renew what is worn out. It is as if the universe is constantly weaving a tapestry of hope and renewal into the very fabric of reality. This concept invites us to adopt a perspective of openness and trust in life. It reminds us that even when we face challenges and difficulties, there is a greater force at play, working in the shadows to restore what seems lost. But the universe does not act on its own. We must give it the signals to act. It is a joint act in which the message we send is received by the universe, and it responds to us with the same tone. Therefore, everything is born from within our being and then goes out to be received by the universe. This is where self-exploration is so important. Reflection is a powerful tool to examine our lives with honesty and understanding. What is inside us is what we send out to the universe. When we take time to reflect on different areas of our lives, we allow ourselves to recognize what is working well and what could use attention and restoration. Only then can we identify areas that might be unbalanced or in need of restoration, giving the universe our message. This could include our physical, emotional, or mental health, our personal relationships, our professional career, or even our spiritual connection. For example, when reflecting on our health, we might notice unhealthy habits that have contributed to our physical well-being. From that point, we can begin to take steps to restore our health. Whether that's adopting a healthier diet, exercising regularly, or seeking medical help if necessary. Regarding our personal relationships, reflection also allows us to examine the quality of our connections with others. Are there unresolved conflicts within you that need to be addressed? Do we need to spend more quality time with our loved ones? If the answer is yes, you are facing the first step to begin your restoration process. It allows us to identify areas where we need restoration and take steps to improve our quality of life in all aspects. When we close our eyes and allow ourselves to feel this connection, both with ourselves and with the universe, we are opening our minds and hearts to the vastness and beauty of the cosmos around us. Imagine for a moment that you are floating in space, surrounded by bright stars and expanding galaxies. Feel the vastness and majesty of the universe around you and allow yourself to feel a deep sense of awe and admiration at the wonder of the cosmos. Now you are breathing in this cosmic energy, allowing it to fill every cell of your being with its light and healing love. It is a way of remembering that we are an integral part of the very fabric of the universe, and that we are connected to all life around us on a fundamental level. It helps us remember that we are part of something much bigger and more beautiful than ourselves, and inspires us to live our lives with gratitude, love, and compassion for ourselves and others. It is then that we can manifest our intentions of restoration towards the universe. This is the conscious act of directing your attention and energy towards the recovery and renewal of specific aspects of your life that you feel need attention and care. It is as if you are establishing a roadmap for the restoration process, clearly outlining what you wish to experience and manifest in your life. Once you've gone through the thought process of identifying these areas, take a moment to clearly visualize what you want to restore in each of them. But don't just stop at visualization. You can also verbalize your intentions in the form of positive affirmations. For example, you could say out loud, "I am experiencing vibrant, optimal health in my body," or "My relationships are full of love, harmony, and mutual support," in front of your mirror. Remember that practicing restorative intention is a continuous and conscious process. You can return to these visualizations and affirmations regularly to reinforce your commitment to your restoration process and to maintain your focus on your goals and aspirations. With time and dedication, you can experience significant and positive changes in all areas of your life. When we surrender to the process of cosmic restoration, we are recognizing that there are forces greater than ourselves at play. It is an act of humility and openness, where we allow ourselves to trust the universe and its wisdom to guide and support our path towards restoration and renewal. Surrender involves letting go of control and the need to fully understand how our desires and aspirations will manifest. We release the tension and resistance that often accompany wanting to control everything, and we open ourselves to the possibility that things can happen in ways we could never have imagined. Trust is the natural companion of surrender. We trust that the universe is taking us exactly where we need to be in each moment, even if we don't fully understand the big picture. It is important to remember that dedication and trust do not mean passivity or resignation. Rather, it is about maintaining a receptive and open attitude to the opportunities and lessons that life presents us on our path to restoration. We continue to take inspired actions and follow our hearts, but we do so from a place of trust that the universe is working in our favor. By practicing surrender and trust in the process of cosmic restoration, we free ourselves from the weight of control and worry, and open ourselves to an experience of flow and grace in our lives. We allow ourselves to be guided by the wisdom of the universe and trust that it now guides our actions. Inspired action is that internal impulse that guides us towards certain decisions, actions, or paths in life. It is like a spark of creativity and wisdom that arises from the depths of our being or from the universe itself. These inspirations can manifest in a variety of ways, such as a sudden impulse to do something, a brilliant idea that comes out of nowhere, or even chance encounters with people who take us in a new and exciting direction. When we are receptive to inspired action, we are opening the doors to the magic and mystery of the universe. We are recognizing that there are invisible forces at play that can guide and support us on our journey toward restoration and renewal. In this way, we allow ourselves to be active co-creators of our own reality and conscious participants in the cosmic restoration process. It is important to be in tune with our own inner being to recognize and follow these inspirations. This involves cultivating a deep connection with our intuition and listening carefully to the whispers of our soul. Inspired action can often go against logic or reason, but if we learn to trust it, it will take us exactly where we need to be on our journey of restoration. Furthermore, inspired action invites us to remain in a state of openness and receptivity to the limitless possibilities that the universe has to offer us. It reminds us that we are surrounded by a vast ocean of infinite potential, and that anything is possible if we are willing to follow the guidance of our heart and our intuition. In short, being receptive to inspired action is key to fully participating in the cosmic restoration process. Only when we follow these inspirations and synchronicities do we open ourselves to a flow of limitless possibilities and allow ourselves to be guided by the wisdom and creativity of the universe on our journey toward wholeness and well-being. What do you think about this topic? Leave your thoughts in comments. If this video resonated with you, I invite you to like it and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with others so they can benefit from this message, and don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts, reflections, and experiences. Thank you for watching and for joining this path full of learning. We are waiting for you in the next video. Blessings.